Despite a demand for more evidence, an Orange County judge is allowing the wrongful death legal action in the 2011 disappearance of Geneva mom Michelle Parker to move forward. Parker's family members say they're happy the judge is giving them another chance to prove why they believe the father of her twins, Dale Smith, is responsible for her disappearance. The couple appeared on a taped episode of The People's Court the day Parker vanished. WESH 2's Bob Keeling is live at the courthouse. And Bob, what does Parker's family hope to get out of this?
Well, Jim, it's not so much about money as you might think a normal wrongful death action. In this case, they say by the judge allowing this wrongful death action to move forward as he did this morning, they still have hope that they can get answers for Michelle's children as to what happened to their mom.
The complaint needs clarification.
A judge today gave Michelle Parker's family a chance to refile their wrongful death complaint with more information on why they believe Dale Smith is responsible for her disappearance and presumed death.
I'm happy that it wasn't dismissed. I never thought it would be dismissed.
Parker's sister says they'll never give up on trying to find Michelle. This legal quest is also to get answers for Parker's children. What happened to their mom?
We need to make sure that they grow up knowing their mother. We need to make sure that one day we can explain to them, this is what happened, not, sorry guys, we don't know.
That the defendant in this case is still a person of interest within that investigation.
Smith's lawyer asked that this case be put on hold until after some resolution of the ongoing criminal investigation. They argue there's no evidence Parker is dead.
There is no death certificate. There's been no determination by a court or by the Department of Health that Ms. Parker is actually deceased.
If Smith is ordered to answer questions under oath in this wrongful death action, Parker's family is well aware he would likely plead the Fifth to avoid potentially incriminating himself in her disappearance.
I mean, he has the option to plead the Fifth, and if he chooses to plead the Fifth, I mean, in my opinion, guilty people plead the Fifth.
Parker's attorney said outside the courthouse here today he is confident that at some point Smith will be required to come back here. He's living in Tennessee right now, but come back and at least be asked questions under oath, even if he does plead the Fifth. Meanwhile, Parker's family did get a ruling from a judge in Seminole County ruling that Michelle died the day of her disappearance, November 17, 2011. Reporting live at the Orange County Courthouse, Bob Keeling, WESH 2 News.